So just yesterday, I woke up to a text, at least in Los Angeles, saying that they want us all wear fabric masks. I was a little bit stressed because I don't sew. I'm not even sure if there's like stores open in Los Angeles at the moment that sells all this stuff. So what I did was I'm gonna show a video how I just used a simple t-shirt. No sewing, no materials, just simple t-shirt. It's better than nothing. Although one thing I gotta say is the fabric's kind of thin. So what I would do maybe as an extra precaution is use two t-shirts and kind of layer it that way. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you one and I'll show you how I did it. So what I have here is just a plain old Hanes t-shirt. It was just in my drawer and it's not being used, so I thought I'd just use it for a fabric mask. So real simple. You take a shirt, you put it over your head like this. And then what I do is I'll just place the front of it with an elastic band over my nose, mouth, just right under the ears. Then I grab the two arms and you can pull it pretty tight around the back of your neck, or the back of your head, I mean. Tie it in a knot, as tight as you feel would work. You can tuck the extra fabric underneath. And then this part you can just put underneath your t-shirt or sweatshirt or whatever you're wearing. And voila. I think one of the good things about this mask is like at least it covers the bottom, so nothing can really get in there. And then as long as the top is pretty tight, thanks to these elastic bands, it should be pretty good. So voila. No materials needed. Simple black t-shirt that just about everyone has in their home, and you got yourself a fabric mask. Like I said, it's a little bit thin around this area, so if you want to be safe, I think a lot of people have been putting liners inside their fabric masks, so you can do that as well. Or what I would also do is maybe put two t-shirts on top of each other and then tie the back like this, so you have two layers of fabric here, and that should be pretty good at protecting you. All right, we did it. Stay safe out there.